morning, students. So today let us continue with the next part of this chapter, aldehydes and ketones. In our last lecture we have seen the introduction and IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. I hope that you have practiced some more examples for the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones from my notes and from the text. Okay, so please practice some more example. And today we are going to cover methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, today we will study two methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. So let's start with the first method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. So first method, we have to prepare aldehydes and ketones from alcohols. Okay, now you know what are alcohols? Compounds containing OH group. OH is a function group, they are called as alcohols. आपको पता है. First method देखते हैं अभी. In this method, again we have two different methods, sub methods. So we will start with the first sub method in this category, oxidation. अभी आपको पता है कि ऑक्सीडेशन मतलब क्या है. ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स रिएक्शन विद ऑक्सीजन. और यहाँ पे जो ऑक्सीजन रिएक्ट होने वाला है अल्कोहल के साथ वो नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन है. अभी आपको नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन मतलब क्या वो भी पता है. ऑलरेडी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड इन 11th स्टैंडर्ड. नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन मीन्स atomic oxygen, one atom of oxygen which will be produced by these oxidizing agents, potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid. They will react and they will produce nascent oxygen. So here oxidation of primary alcohol. Now you know what is primary alcohol? Alcohol in which OH group is attached to primary carbon atom are called primary alcohol. अभी प्राइमरी कार्बन एटम मतलब क्या? प्राइमरी कार्बन एटम मतलब क्या? जो कार्बन एटम सिर्फ और एक कार्बन एटम को अटैच होता है. द कार्बन एटम which is attached to only one more carbon atom is called primary carbon atom and OH group is attached to this carbon atom. So it is a primary alcohol and oxidation of this primary alcohol will give you aldehyde. CH3 CHO. Water molecule is lost. OH and 1H. Oxygen. Okay. OH from here and H from here. And this oxygen gets added to carbon. So you get CH3 CHO and water. So you get an aldehyde. Okay. So if you carry out oxidation of primary alcohol, okay, you will get aldehyde. And if you carry out in the same method oxidation, if you carry out with secondary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol because this is a secondary carbon atom, because it is attached to two more carbon atoms, and OH group is attached to secondary carbon atom. That's why it is secondary alcohol, and oxidation of secondary alcohol will give you a ketone. Okay, CH3COCH3. It is nothing but ketone. What is the function group here? Carbonyl group. Okay. Now the main product, already I told you कि main product को आपको IUPAC names देने हैं. Already we have studied in the last lecture. So please give the IUPAC name below the main product. It is very important for your examination. Now in the same category, method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones from alcohols. Second part, by catalytic dehydrogenation. Now what is dehydrogenation? Dehydrogenation means elimination of hydrogen gas. So again we have example of primary alcohol here. Okay, and you directly this primary alcohol in presence of copper metal. Copper metal at a particular temperature you heat and you get aldehyde. CHO group means aldehyde. And loss of hydrogen gas. Okay, that's why the reaction is called dehydrogenation. Okay, so from where the hydrogen is lost? One H from here, one H from here. It is lost in the form of hydrogen, and the remaining part will form aldehyde. And if you take secondary alcohol, as we have seen here, तो आप अगर secondary alcohol लेंगे, same method है, catalyst भी same है, copper. Okay, at a particular temperature you heat the secondary alcohol. One H from here and one H from here will be lost. Okay, and whatever is remaining, it will form a ketone. You get a ketone. And again, loss of hydrogen gas. Okay, dehydrogenation. Now the last method for today. Preparation of aldehyde and ketones from Grignard reagent. Now you know what is Grignard reagent? Alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide are called Grignard reagent. So here we have methyl magnesium iodide reacting with a cyanide. ये कंपाउंड में CN ग्रुप है. CN ग्रुप मींस ऑलरेडी यू नो कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है ये? साइनाइड ग्रुप है. सो Grignard reagent reacting with a cyanide compound, methyl group gets added to this carbon C, first step. Okay, and MgN gets added to N. Triple bond gets converted to double bond, maintaining the valency of nitrogen and carbon both here. Now this is the intermediate. This intermediate is very unstable. Okay, highly unstable. So immediately it can undergo hydrolysis. You treat this intermediate with water. Okay, and you will get in this first case when we have H here. Okay, we will get only H here. So you get aldehyde CH3CHO. Okay, now here can you see two water molecules we have taken here? 3 hydrogen from here gets added to nitrogen forming ammonia gas. Okay, and 1 hydrogen is remaining here and 1 over here OH. Okay, OH gets added to Mg. Okay, and bond breaks here. Okay, and the byproduct MgOH are okay, we are getting in this final step. Okay, so we get an aldehyde when you follow this method of preparation using this cyanide. Okay, and if you take CH3 here, क्या लेंगे? CH3Cl. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली? ओके, CH3 and Cn. मिथाइल साइनाइड अगर आपने लिया तो आपको यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? फिर मिथाइल ग्रुप. ओके, and if you write methyl group here, that means you are getting a ketone. Okay, so making the changes, okay, you get the desired product. Okay, so here today we have seen, okay, we have seen two methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. First from alcohol and second from Grignard reagent. So I hope you have understood the concept, today's concept also, and just go through my notes. Okay, and practice this reaction properly at home. Write and practice this reaction. Okay, any doubts you can ask. Message through our campus care. So next time we'll continue with preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, so take care and have a nice day. Thank you.